Hey, beautiful people, welcome to my kitchen. So, today I will be showing you guys how to make this delicious oatmeal pancake. This is a very easy and quick breakfast to make for yourself or to your family. So, I will walk you guys through the ingredients. So, we don't have a lot of ingredients to make this oatmeal. So, we'll start by this is 1.5 cup of oatmeal. You can use any oatmeal of your choice because we're going to be blending this anyway. 1 egg, oil to fry. You can use vegetable oil or any oil. 1 cup of milk. You can use any milk of your choice. Salt, sugar, and nut milk. I have a tablespoon of sugar, a little bit of salt, and teaspoon of nut milk. And we will start by putting everything in the blender. First, I'll put my oatmeal in the blender. Next, I'll go ahead and add 1 egg. And next, I'll go ahead and add all the salt, the sugar, and the nut milk. The nut milk is just for flavor. And last, I'll add my milk. Oops, I make a little bit of mess. So I'll just go ahead, put a lid on this, and right straight into blending. So when blending your oatmeal, make sure it's well smooth. You really want to make this smooth, and it shouldn't be too like light. This is the right texture for the pancake. You don't want to make your pancake too thick or too light. See how well smooth it is? So we're gonna go straight in frying. In my fry pan, we have oil on medium heat, and I went ahead and added my pancake. I'll be flipping this on the other side. So you're cooking this on low heat. You don't want to cook it on high heat. If you cook it on high heat, it's gonna get burned. So you cook and you flip the sides so it doesn't get burned on the one side. So and it should be cooked evenly on both sides. Tell me guys, how does this look? This looks so delicious. I'm craving already. So our pancake is ready. So I will show you guys how I'm gonna roll my pancake. Just roll it like this. You can do it whatever shape you want. I just like rolling my pancake like that. This looks really presentable. I will show you guys again how I roll my pancakes to serve. See, very easy, and you can do whatever shape or whatever design you want with your pancake, but I love this. Our pancakes are ready, guys. See how delicious they look. Go try this and you will love it. This is really healthy. Try this and tell me how it came out. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment.